Well, here we are. Last day out. Gonna see how she acts around Kate. There's Kate there waiting to get out of that car. She can hardly wait. This is a big deal for her. So we'll just, hey, quit. Come on. Look at this. I want you to see this. Hopefully you can. She's looking at Kate right now. Come on. Come on. She's looking at Kate. Come on. Start eating. There you go. Let her kind of look Kate over here. Hopefully you can see at least some of this. There's Kate over there wagging her tail, and here's the Coopers. I don't know that this is going to work, but we'll give it a shot. See what happens. We'll give it a shot. Get this hood on here. And there we go. Alright, we'll see what happens. This will be interesting. Let me back up here. See what she does. Okay, Kate. Kate, easy. Oops, I forgot to show it to you. She stood her ground. Kate went right underneath her, so maybe it's going to work. I hope so. Oops, now she's looking at Kate, but I don't know. We'll just have to see. Here we go. She's doing pretty good. She's hanging in there. Don't think she's all that happy about it, but what's in there, Kate? Now we got a point over here. I don't know what it is though. I guess nothing. So here we go. Digging around. I think she'd work well with Kate. You know, just observing her. She's a little slick back. She's not comfortable. You know, normally she's in a bit of a yark right now. So, but I think she'd work with Kate. Kate. Yeah, she just flew off up into that tree. We'll go out here and oh, there she is. Up there, you can see her up in that tree, I think. And Kate's over here zinging around in front of her. I'll go out here a little ways and call her and sit around Kate and see if she'll come. There's Kate. Yeah, no problem. No problema. Come on. She'd hunt with Kate. No doubt about it. She's doing good. You can see though, she's not her normal self in the sense that there's no wings out. She's pretty cognizant, I guess is the word, of that dog being out here. There's Kate running around over there. And here's the hawk. There's Kate out there zinging. Looks like she sees something. You never know about these little Coopers. What the hell they see. But she's a good little bird. I hate to give her up, but I just don't have. This is just not the place for a Cooper's. It really isn't. My friend up here in Oklahoma, up in I guess northern part of the state's having the same problem with his Coopers, not being able to get anything for it to catch, and that's just the way it is. That's the way it is. Come on, baby, my arm's getting tired. Yeah, she just ran. The dog just ran right by her right now, and she didn't even flinch. So I think this would work out pretty good. I really do, and I'm happy to see this because the guy that's taking her has a dog that he wants to work her with, and of course she'll have to get used to the other dog, because they do certainly differentiate, different dogs and different people. So, but at least, hopefully this is a good sign, I guess is what I'm trying to say, for his sake. I'll walk out here some more. Man, I'm getting tired of her. Oh my God, why don't you fly off there, sweetheart? Give me a little rest. Would you mind doing that? Yeah, see, as soon as the dog comes, she tucks her wings in. She's a little area, the rascal, but certainly not enough to fly off, so that's the main thing. She'd get used to her more, the more I brought Kate out. Yeah, it's be good. I think she might be a little cautious about flying off, now that the dog's out here, but I don't know. Let's just see. She just saw a bird. That's what got her attention there, if you're seeing this. Yeah, Kate just ran underneath her there. Maybe you saw that. She's okay. She's okay. Yeah, there's Kate. Yep, she's fine. She knows Kate. That's the main thing. Good. Well, I don't know how much longer I need to film this. I just wanted to show you that she's okay with the dog out here. I couldn't ask for better for, being out here for the first time with it. So, I think I'm gonna quit the filming and just walk around some more with her and then put her up. Yep, that's it. Okay, take care.